Hello everyone! Look what I found in front of my window. There's two baby hummingbird that the mom made a nest on the wind chime here. They are so cute. I don't know how long they've been there, but we just noticed it earlier today. Let me see if I can get it a little closer. I saw the mom, but she flew away. But those two baby hummingbirds, they look like maybe they're about to fly out because they have their feathers already. But yeah, they're so adorable. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know how long they've been there, but I'm sure the mom built a nest in there for a while. Yeah, you can tell, you can see the feathers. They're so cute. Well, I hope you guys can see this. I'm just shooting it through the blinds here in front of my window, and this is like in front of my front of our door but in front of our window, should I say. The door's on the left side, but I'm taking a shot here from the window. But anyway, bye for now.